Hello everyone, how's you all? Today we are talk about insurance, how insurance works and types of policies. Now first of all, what is insurance? Insurance is a contract represented by a policy in which a policyholder receives financial protection or reimbursement against losses from an insurance company. The company poses clients risk to make payment more affordable for the insured. Most people have some insurance for their car, their house, their health care or their life. Insurance policies has against policies financial losses resulting from accident, injury or property damage. Insurance also helps cover costs associated with liability, means legal responsibility for damage or injury caused to a third party. Now, what's the keys of the insurance? Insurance is a contract in which an insurer indemnifies another against losses from specific contingencies or perils. There are many types of insurance policies like life, health, homeowners, and auto are among the most common forms of insurance. The core components that make up most insurance policies are the premium, deductible, and policy limits. Now we talk about how insurance works. Many insurance policies types are available and virtually any individual or business can find an insurance company willing to insure them for a price. Common personal insurance policy types are auto, health, homeowners and life insurance. Most individuals in the United States have at least one of these type of insurance and car insurance is required by state law. Businesses obtained insurance policy fulfilled specific risk. For example, a fast food restaurant policy may cover an employee injuries from cooking with a deep fryer. Medical malpractice insurance covers injury or death related liability claims resulting from the healthcare provider negligence or malpractice. Businesses may be required by state law to buy specific insurance coverages. Now, what are the components of the insurance policy? Understanding how insurance works can help you choose a policy. For instance, comprehensive coverage may or may not be the right type of auto insurance for you. Three components of any insurance types are the premium, policy limit, or deductible. Premium. Now, what is premium? A policy premium is its price, typically a monthly cost. Often, an insurance takes multiple factors into account to set a premium. Here are few examples like auto insurance premium, age and location, and many factors that may vary by a state, like home insurance premium, the value of your home, personal belongings, location, claim history, and coverage amounts. Health insurance premium, age, sex, location, health states, and coverage levels. Like life insurance premium, age, sex, tobacco use, health, and amount of coverage. Thank you so much, guys.